Hi everyone, this is Greg Duran and welcome back to my channel. So today's video guys, I'm gonna guide you on how to convert your non-pro to professional driver's license. Okay? So step-by-step tutorial tayo. So ito yung i-discuss natin guys. Una is ano yung mga qualifications. Pangalawa, requirements. Pangatlo is yung fees, kung magkano nabayaran ko. And mga tips na rin kung paano ko napasa doon yung exam. Okay? So without further ado, so ito na guys. Una qualifications, dapat 18 years old ka and physically and mentally fit to drive. Marunong magbasa, write in Filipino and English. And then, wala kang unsettled traffic violation, guys. So, bayaran mo nyo muna kung meron man. And, of course, yung exam, dapat mong ipasa din. And last is yung non-professional driver's license mo. Dapat dalhin mo yan, guys, yung original, yung card. And other qualifications, guys, yan. So, by the way, pag mag-professional ka sa motor, dapat at least 6 months ka na from non-pro. Then, pag car naman, dapat at least 1 year. So, yung next, guys, uh, yung mga requirements. So, ito yung mga requirements, guys. Yung APL form. So, pwede ka ma-download sa online or dun na sa LTO office mismo. Fill out mo dun. Then, pangalawa, yung original copy ng non-professional driver's license mo o yung card mo. Dapat dalhin mo yan kasi kailangan nila yan. Then, yung medical certificate mo, by the way, nabayaran ko sa medical certificate ko is 500. And last, guys, is yung PIN number mo. Kung wala kang card, guys, yung PIN card or ID, dapat meron kang any proof na or ID or any like form, BIF form na nakalagay yung PIN number mo. Kasi may pit sila dyan eh. Ang ginawa ko, buti na lang may kopya ko ng 1209 or 1209 form ko sa phone ko. Yun na lang, pina-xerox ko na lang at tinanggap naman nila kasi andun yung nakalagay yung ID ko eh, ang TIN number ko. Then regarding sa fees guys, so unang nabayaran ko 100. So application fee yun. Then pag after na exam, pag nakapasa ka, dun ka na magbabayad ng yeah, driver's license or license fee, which is 325. So 100 plus 325, 425 lahat, plus sa medical, 500. So kulang-kulang 1,000. And regarding sa exam guys, ang tip ko lang, kasi yung passing na is 48 over 60. So, tip ko lang is mag-review kayo. Maraming reviewer sa YouTube. Search nyo lang, professional reviewer. Uh, kasi nahirapan ako dun sa ano eh, yung group pride sign. And then about sa tricycle. Lumalabas yung lahat. So, yun, mag-review kayo guys. Marami sa YouTube mga video ganyan. Review nyo lang. Make sure na marami kayong at least na review. Para at least guys, mas marami kang alam, mas marami kang masasagot, di ba? Ganun lang yun. So, good luck on your exam. And also guys, magdala na kayo ng food and water kasi para hindi na kayo labas ng labas. Of course, di kayo magutom during the exam para makafocus kayo. So, good luck guys. So, ito na pala yung driver's license ko nakuha ko uh, on the day, within the day lang din. So, again guys, good luck on your exam. If you have questions guys, mag-comment lang kayo down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Comment kayo at sasagutin ko yan guys kung ano yung mga tanong nyo. Thank you and God bless.